Along with CNC machines, we have the equipments to make the water treatment systems. Here is the second chapter of Myst Enterprise in Shanghai, where we manufacture the water treatment systems. Okay, so at this facility, we manufacture every single type of water treatment system, like waste water treatment, water reuse, seawater desalination, rivers and ponds, or any type of water. This majestic water filter, this centrifugal pump, so here this is the control panel box we manufacture here at our facility. And here is the internal part of it. A to Z, every single component, wire and all sorts are manufactured and designed here at this facility. And everything we make here is all in-house production.